amazing views, blissful sunsets, ocean breezes, and the sound of waves lapping at the shoreline await you at this fabulous, recently built, pet-friendly, beachfront home located directly on the Gulf of Mexico. Villa Delphinus, named for the leaping dolphin constellation, was built 2008 and has a large, wraparound, partially covered deck for panoramic views of the Gulf and Bay. The interior is bathed in that magical seaside light and features a vaulted living room, bamboo flooring, 2 bedrooms with queen beds, a 3rd bedroom with a duo-bunk, and a sleeper sofa in the living room, 2 porcelain tiled bathrooms, and spacious, open living, dining, and kitchen areas. And, like all our great Dauphin Island vacation rentals, the kitchen is fully outfitted with everything you'll need for a great vacation. A great beach vacation is waiting on you. Are you craving for more of our contents? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to Tiny Luxury House.